Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to read a micrometer and dial calipers. To start with, let's look at dial calipers. These are nice for measuring things larger than your micrometer can. This micrometer goes up to 1 inch. Both of them are going to measure in the thousandths of an inch, or to the thousandths of an inch. Let's start by looking at the graduations on the slide here. So there's 0, they're closed. On this end, we have the inside here. So if we want to measure the inside of something, we can stick that in there like that. If we want to measure the outside of something, we can use these jaws. So anyway, to read, what we're going to do is we're going to basically put whatever we're going to measure in there and use our thumb wheel here to clamp down on it and hold it in there as straight as possible. And then to read it, we're going to count the graduations here. So we have 1 inch, 2 inches, and then so it'd be 2.496. So 2 inches and 496 thousandths. So that would look like 2.496. Now, just to give you another example, we'll measure this here. And now that fell out of there, but I'm going to still read it without moving it. Would be 1.127. Now, micrometer's a little bit harder, a little bit more complicated, but again, we're just going to measure to the nearest thousandth of an inch. If you rotate the barrel, close the jaw there, it should be on 0. And then as we open it, we're going to turn it, and every hash mark there, that's 1 thousandth, 2 thousandths, 3 thousandths, 4 thousandths, etc. And each revolution is 25 thousandths. So at 24, and then we're at 0 again, so that's 25 thousandths. And then you can see there's graduation on the barrel there. As we turn it out, more of those graduations are revealed, and those are each 25 thousandths. So right about here is 100 thousandths, or a tenth of an inch. So we basically open it up beyond what we're going to measure. Let's measure this bullet. This is as dropped from the mold here. And so I'm going to get it right on the driving bands there, and then rotate that barrel until it closes on there gently but firmly. And now I can see that it's 0.359 and about a half. So this mold is supposed to drop it 0.395, and it's just a hair over that, half of a thousandth. So pretty close. And now let's measure this and see if it's 0.308 like it should be. 0.308 on the nose. So you can see the 0.3 is revealed, and then just a little bit beyond that is 0.8. So 0.308. Let's take that out of there and rotate this around. So that's right on 300 thousandths on the nose, and we had to open it up to there. That's where it closed on, so that's 0.308. Now 0.311 would be there, for example. So anywho, Just a quick run through on how to read a micrometer and dial calipers. A lot of folks like the digital calipers, and they are nice and easy, but well, if your battery's dead, you're dead in the water, aren't you? The nice thing about the digital calipers, though, is that you can switch from freedom units to metric with the push of a button. But again, the battery is kind of the weak point in those. So anyway, hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.